In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Drive zip file. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab a zip file from Google Drive, what to expect during the download, and how to extract it so you can actually use the files inside. First, let's cover the simplest situation. You already have a zip file stored in Google Drive. Open your browser and go to drive.google.com. Make sure you're in the correct Google account so you can see the file you need. Navigate through your folders or use the search bar to find the file that ends with .zip. Once you've located it, right-click the file and choose Download. Your browser will begin downloading it, and by default, it will land in your computer's Downloads folder. Depending on your browser settings, you might see a prompt asking where to save it, or the file may appear in your download shelf or manager at the bottom or top of the window. Now, what if you don't have a zip file yet, but you need to download a folder that someone has shared with you? Google Drive can automatically compress that folder into a zip for you. Find the folder in Drive, right-click it, and click Download. Drive will prepare the folder, bundle all the contents, and convert it into a single zip file so it's easier to transfer. During this process, you'll see messages like zipping files, while Google packages everything. For large folders or lots of small files, this can take some time, so be patient and avoid closing the tab. Once the zipping is complete, the download will start automatically, just like with a regular file. While the download is in progress, keep your internet connection stable and your browser open. If you have a very large file or a slow connection, it might take a while to finish. That's normal. When it completes, head to your Downloads folder to find the zip file. There's one important final step: extracting the zip so you can access the contents. Go to your Downloads folder, right-click the zip file, and choose Extract All. Pick a destination if you want the files in a specific place, then confirm. Extraction creates a regular folder with all the files inside. You need to do this to properly open and work with them. Viewing the zip without extracting is just a preview, and that's it. Open Drive, download the zip, or have Drive create one from a folder, wait for it to finish, then extract it. You're ready to use your files.